Well, hello, welcome. So this is the finished Fabric Godmother Aspen dress. I absolutely love it. So it's just a nice easy breezy summer dress in this lightweight linen and viscose that I've chosen for it. This fabric is much lighter than the fabric recommendations, but it works well too. So you can see I've got these lovely ruffled pockets in the contrast there. It just looks interesting. I don't know if it looks a bit like a boob, but anyway, the pockets are there, right front and centre. There are these fab big skirt pockets that are anchored at the waist. They are the absolute best way to do an inseam pocket on a lightweight dress. Whenever you've got a waist seam, if you can anchor it into the waist seam, then it doesn't drag or pull at all on the seam. It just finishes it off lovely. So I've paired this today just with some chunky flat canvas sandals and a pair of yellow socks to match my yellow contrast. So I've also got the yellow contrast on the inside of the collar here and on the underside of the collar, and the zip of course is the contrast yellow and orange together. So the zip was from Zipper Station. Highly recommend that. Checking them out. They've got lots of interesting zips if you're doing something that has an exposed zip. I've just added this because I don't know if you could see my feet and the bottom of the skirt. So I didn't shorten this at all on the skirt part. I shortened the bodice by 1 inch, but I didn't shorten the skirt at all. I really think the length is just perfect on me, and I'm only 5'2.5", so just consider that for yourself and where you want it to finish. So I look forward to seeing all your versions in the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group really soon. Bye bye for now.